camping spot. Old anchor. That's an old from a fish stug. That style anchor. Wow. Shot up old van. Check all this out. Lots of junk. Oh, and some ducks and geese, babies. Take a little walk around. This is Lake Nipigon. Oh, it's a beauty today. Nice and calm. Let's go have a look-see around. Looks like an old hitch. Something in the bush over here. I imagine there was a lot of stuff that went on around here. Kinds of junk for a beautiful place. Looks like an old camper. I got an old snow machine. 776645. Huh. That's an old Indy 440. Wow, cowling's broken up. Old camper in the bush, been there for ages. Two of them in there. Jeez. People just leave their crap everywhere, eh? Not sleeping on the bunk on that one, that's for sure. The roof's all collapsed on that one. What a shame, such a beautiful area has got to be littered with junk. I think we can fix her up. Stay the night, eh? This one, not so much. That one's had it. Even old batteries, big ass batteries up from a boat or big truck. That's pathetic. I got the other camper over here. Almost looks like there was an old road there at one time. This one's all collapsed down. Hello! The body's in there. We haven't had a deck for this one. Wow. Lovely. I don't know if the fridge still works. It doesn't stay shut. Anything in there? Can't tell. Garbage, 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 garbage. Metro. And the van. The van, man. Used to have a name on the side. Can't make it out. $131,000 kilometers. That's not very much. No plates. Inner City Ford. Come from Thunder Bay. Any name on this side? I can't make it out. You got a snow machine seat and a tank here. I wonder if it's off that same machine. Looks like this used to be a happening area at one time. Happening junk. Like a box or a barrel in the bush there. The road continues a little bit. I might go down there just to see. It doesn't go very far. What a mess. What a mess. What do we got in here now? Just a barrel. 45-gallon barrel. Humboldt Bay. Last but not least, the chest freezer. Nice. Very nice, except for all the garbage, of course. Just gonna take a quick run down here. Somebody comes across here with a boat, I guess, and camps. Oil tank converted to a stove. A bunch of stuff here. A little tenting spot. Looks like someone tented here recently. A lot of this looks recently. Someone came here with a boat, obviously. Set up camp. Beauty. It almost looks like the remnants of an old bridge over there. There's 4 things sticking out of the water. Looking with binoculars, I think those are trees that they put in the water and to hold the boom line. I think a river comes out over there from the logging days. You can see right here there's an old rotten boom cable. This actually, I don't know if that's a boom. No, that may be a, there might have been a little wharf here, a dock at one time. Lots of history in this place.